from A all the way to Z. Let's go. A is for Afro.
A.
B is for boy.
B.
C is for crayon.
C.
D is for dance.
D.
Now do a little dance for me. Ooh, do a little dance for me. E is for us.
E.
F is for flowers.
F.
G is for girl.
G.
H is for high top.
H.
I is for insect.
I.
J is for jacket.
J.
K is for king.
K.
L is for lizard.
L.
Ooh,
Now do a little dance for me.
come on, do a little dance for me. M is for microphone.
M.
N is for narwhal.
N.
O is for owl.
O.
P is for popsicle.
P.
Q is for queen.
Q.
R is for rainbow.
R.
S is for sun.
S.
T is for turtle.
T.
Now do a little dance for me. Just do a little dance for me. U is for unicorn.
U.
V is for vegetables.
V.
W is for wheelchair.
W.
X is for xylophone.
X.
Y is for yarn.
Y.
Z is for zebra.
Z.
Well, we just went through the letters of the alphabet from A all the way to Z. Now do a little dance for me. Do a little dance for me.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting video. Thanks for watching.